Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2010 New Holland BR7090 in good condition. This round baler produces 5x6 foot bales in its variable bale chamber and is equipped with a standard hydraulic pickup with dual gauge wheels and auto twine wrap control and electric double wrap, and a hydraulic bale tensioner and bale kicker. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR7090. Interested in this baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.